Well, hello guys. Welcome to this video. We are taking you with us from San Francisco to London. We are here at the San Francisco International Airport. It's 11:03 a.m. We are just chilling here. We gotta go through the G section of the airport, which is on the left side once you make your entry over here. So we have clear security, and now this will be a ride for the next, what is it, 10 hours, 10:45 minutes? A Dreamliner. That's the wingspan. And here we are. United Airlines Flight 901, San Francisco to London Heathrow. And we are in. We see Polaris Business down there.
Thank you for waiting.
No problem, thank you. Yeah, we see the spacious cabin in here. It is nice. Then we have Polaris Economy Plus, I think it's called. Wider seats, more room. And then we have us mortals, basic economy. Well, that's the whole point of this video. We'll see how bad, how good it is. We are looking for seat 44L, which is right here. 44L. See you guys in a minute. So here we are now. Decent leg room. You can see I'm not that tall though, but it's decent. We have some amenities, if we can call them amenities. We have a blanket. It's well appreciated. It's basic economy anyway. And we have this sort of pillow, which I guess is better than nothing. In-flight entertainment in here. It's well appreciated. You have some USB port in here and auxiliary ports here. And what is great about the 787 Dreamliner, it's the window dimmer. As you can see, it's all bright, but if you dim it from here all the way down, you can start noticing how the brightness start fading away, which is pretty cool. The flight was supposed to depart at 12:30. We'll see if we make it on time. We have the restrooms over there. Luckily, we have an empty room, so that's extra space for us. Now the window is completely dim. A key characteristic of this 787 Dreamliner is the size of the window. Look how massive it is. It's huge, and you can still see that. You can still see the outside, but you know, the dimmer really works. You can see over here when it's dim and when it's not. So that's pretty cool feature. We'll see how we go about the in-flight service.
So we departure at around 1 p.m. and it's been like 40 minutes already. We're tired, but we already got some snacks, including this savory snack mix, which looks good. And then we got some water as well.
Now, what we got here?
Oh yeah, so we have really good movies. So this Beekeeper looks really cool. There's a very good selection of movies. You can filter it by whatever you prefer. You have something for the kids as well. But yeah.
Oh, and by the way, the in-flight entertainment offers a lot of things to do. You have the interactive map here, where you can kind of pretty much see where you are. You can press on the info. We are going through some turbulence right now. It's getting kind of bumpy, but you can tell right here. United will provide you local time and local time at your destination. So yeah, we have the flight number, distance travel, miles, kilometers, distance to destination. The screen is it's decent at responding time. You can exit out. You need to press it kind of hard as you can see. But yeah, you can see the flight information in there. You have the sports in here. You have, as my wife mentioned before, some categories over here. You can see the features, movies, TVs. You have some games. You can search United information and some settings over here. Alright, so we're flying over Idaho right now, and it's dinner time. So tell us, what do we have?
Well, we have some green beans with lemon chicken and rice. And I don't know what this is.
And some apple juice.
Yeah, apple juice and a little treat. And a tip for you guys, we recommend you to bring a cup of noodles just in case you get hungry. Just ask for hot water and you will be good to go. And he decided to go with some pasta, a little bun, a salad, and a ginger ale.
So this is the bathroom. I mean, the space is not the best. Plus, I gotta say, do you hear that? Super sticky. I don't even want to imagine why it is sticky, but keep in mind that's why you shouldn't be walking without shoes around the plane. We got over here hot and cold water. We have the automated sensor for the flushing. Some paper, some tissue, baby changing station, and we have a big mirror here, and this other mirror over here. So yeah, I mean, could it be better? Yes, definitely. So we're mid-flight, time remaining 4 hours. San Francisco time 6:47, London time 2:47 a.m. We still have a long way to go, but United, they treated us good. We got some more snacks. This time some water, some milk, and some balsamic chicken, arugula and mozzarella sandwich. So here it is. Smells good. Looks decent. It's a warm sandwich. Warm, it's way better than cold sandwiches, so thumbs up for this. And I'm pretty sure it tastes good. So already, so we are 1 hour 20 minutes before arrival, and it's breakfast time. Interesting enough, it's 9:30 p.m., 9:40 in San Francisco, so it's kind of dinner for us. But for breakfast, what we have?
So we have some eggs and a croissant.
A croissant and some fruits.
Yep.
Grapes, pineapple.
And milk.
She got the milk.
Food and beverage items must be collected or put away for our landing. So your flight attendants will be coming through to collect any remaining items.
So here it is. Scrambled eggs, some black beans and corn, I think, or green beans. Not sure. So yeah, a decent breakfast for basic economy. They've been feeding us good as always.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the captain with that beautiful landing and the entire flight crew, we welcome you to the London Heathrow International Airport, serving the greater London area, where the local time is 6:55 a.m. That is Sunday morning. We ask you, please, ladies and gentlemen, to stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign has been.
So after the long flight, we have arrived to London Heathrow, and these are our final ratings for the flight. For in-flight entertainment, we're gonna score it a 4.5 out of 5 stars. The food, we're gonna give it a 4. Attention, 4. Punctuality, a 3. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video interesting and follow us for more. Thank you.